if you miss my live stream, and then when you visit here, I know where you are. Between 2023 and 2025, I met 7 Filipino vloggers in the Philippines. Yes. That's how I already met one person, one vlogger, but we are enemy. We are enemy. We are enemy. I met the Philippines. She's actually nice, really small. Yeah, first time I met one vlogger.